Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to review the Marvel Legends Punisher with motorcycle. So first yung figure, this stands around 6 inches tall. Tapos meron siyang two alternate heads. Yan, two heads in total. Isa yung regular and isa yung battle damage. Meron siyang bat and some sword or some sort of a machete. Tapos meron siyang guns, tatlong guns, sawed off as I think two barrel na shotgun. Tama. Shotgun and I think sawed off shotgun yung tawag dito. I'm not sure pero i-research ko na rin. Meron din siyang submachine gun and a type of submachine gun din ata ito. Yep. Tapos meron siyang helmet and the motorcycle itself. So start tayo sa figure. Figure is very solid. Nga pala, shoutout to Sir Clyde Malyari from Facebook Marketplace, and super nice nang nakuha kong set sa kanya. Tatlong Punisher set for only 8,000 pesos only. Tapos i-custom repaint natin to para sa mga clients natin. Thank you very much. Okay, so sa figure, very nice. Very solid yung mga joints. Wala namang loose joints. So here's the front, here's the back, here's the side, and the other side. Yung head niya, yung haircut niya, parang mas meron siyang widow's peak dito sa kanyang hairstyle. Tapos dito, naka-recede yung kanyang hairline. And then you have the eyebrows, parang medyo, gusto ko yung redness around the eyes. And also medyo flat yung kanyang nose bridge. Siguro from all the punching and the injuries na nakuha niya. Then angry yung expression niya. Tapos meron siyang jawline. You have the neck muscles. Tapos yung shirt niya, meron logo ng Punisher, have the eyes, the nose, and the teeth. Tapos, yung suot niya dito, para siyang t-shirt na naka-roll up yung sleeves para makita din yung muscle definition ng kanyang arms. In terms of the arms, very muscular. I think sa Marvel Legends, ito yung meron na silang mga template nito. Marami silang templated na mga arms. So, pwede nilang gamitin yun sa mga multiple na mga Punisher variants. So this one is the one with the motorcycle. Mamaya pasakayin natin siya doon. Tapos yung sa pants, hindi lang pantay yung finish ng pants. Itong part na to glossy. Tapos itong part na to sa baba, matte. Pero na-articulate naman siya na maayos. Okay? And then, here's the other head. Mas ano siya, mas battle damage. Meron siya mga stitches, mga bandage. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na bandage. Tapos may mga stitches din siya. Ganda ng pagkakagawa rito sa battle damage head, and also the redness around the eyes ni Frank Castle. And also meron siyang kasamang parang Viking helmet na pwede mo siyang i-equip both battle damaged and regular head. And also pwede mo ring i-equip yung kanyang bat and yung machete. Pwede. I think kung meron kayong blue tack, pwede mo isabit dito sa likod. Okay, tapos ito yung kanyang motorcycle. Very nice motorcycle design. I think pareho to sa I think may similarities sa Captain America na first Avenger na Marvel Legends. So this one, the whole body is black. Tapos yung plate number niya yellow and blue yung nasa taas, NYC. PNSH 616. I think this is Earth 616. I'm not sure. Yung lights na dito, red. And then you have the gas tank. Punisher logo. Dun sa speedometer, very nice. Tapos, meron siyang headlight. Tapos dito rin, meron siyang signal lights. Red din yung color. And then yung wheels naman, umaandar naman to. Okay. So, if you are going to play with the motorcycle, maayos yung umaandar. And then you have the long na handlebars para dun sa Punisher na para dito sa Punisher na motorcycle. And then kung i-equip mo siya, ganito yung magiging appearance niya. Okay? Very nice. In proportion naman siya dito sa action figure. So if you are going to put the hands over here, super cool. Okay? Abot pa rin naman niya, and super nice ng forma ni Punisher pag nakasakay sa motorcycle. Lalo na pag all black and very unified yung look. Alright. So yun lang ang ating review in terms of articulations, the head can look up, down, 360. Tapos 360 din yung hands, ay yung arms. You can move outward, downward, 360. Tapos rotation sa arms, double jointed na elbow, more than 90 degrees. Tapos yung wrist niya, pwedeng pwedeng mag-rotate using a ball joint. Tapos you can back stretch that far, ab crunch that far. You can rotate the waist. Tapos kick that far, back kick that far. You can move out, inside. Meron ding rotations or swivel, double jointed knee, tapos ball jointed yung paa. Okay? In terms of looks, super super nice na ang Punisher na to. Ganda ng Punisher set, lalo na with the motorcycle. So that's it mga ma'am sir. Yun lang ang ating review sa Punisher with a motorcycle Marvel Legends action figure. So if you want to get this and meron kayong nakitang stock sa marketplace, puntahan nyo na, bilhin nyo na kasi sulit na sulit. Uh, Lalo na kung meron mga stocks. Kahit na BIB, ganda pa rin. I think BIB to eh. Pero wala namang problema sa mga BIB na mga figures. Ito wala namang sira sa eh. Wala namang sira sa mga joints. Hindi naman siya super loose. So, kaya thank you din sa mga sellers. Again, shout out to Sir Clyde Maliari for this very, very awesome na Punisher action figure. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.